Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram data recovery. So guys, at first go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three dot line in the right side of corner. Tap on your activity. Swipe down and tap on download your information. Tap on request a download. Now select your Instagram. Tap on next. Now tap on complete copy. Tap on submit request. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.